don't be shocked. We still got time, and I don't know. I still got faith in it, y'all. So I'm gonna give y'all my thoughts and my opinions on some shocking events. Let's talk about it. YouTube family, what's going on with y'all today, man? It's your boy Jay back with another one, y'all. Look, today I want to have a discussion with y'all and talk to y'all about some thoughts that are pondering in my head and what I think we shall be seeing here shortly, man. So before we get into the details of the video, man, if this is your first, second, third time or so on and so forth watching your boy Jay, man, stick around, man. Join the fam, hit the subscribe button. Big shout out to all the OGs of the fam and everyone who comes in and shows love on every video. Y'all don't know how much that means, y'all. I gotta let y'all know in every single video. Like, I have to let y'all know, man. I truly appreciate y'all. Thanks for coming through, dropping a comment down below, liking the video. Make sure y'all thumbs it up right now, man. Thumbs it up for your boy Jay. But yes, man, today I do have a topic, and it is a discussion topic, talking to you guys about, you know, some shocking things that might happen, and I still think that, you know, it's still out here and we still might see it, you know. Speaking of shocking things, y'all, did anyone know about the shock drop that happened yesterday, which was Monday? What was Monday's date? What? Did anybody know that there was a shock drop on a pair of Travis Scott's? Like I said, I had no clue, oblivious to it, and I'm glad I was, because there was no way on earth I was going, you know, very extremely limited shoe. I think it was limited to 200 pairs, and that's in all sizes across the board. If you got a W on that shoe, bro, you need to play the lottery, y'all, because yeah, stupid limited on that shoe. But I didn't even know about it. If I didn't know about it, I surely would have went after it just to get that got 'em. I need that got 'em, y'all. I'm missing that got 'em. I haven't gotten the got 'em in a while, and I'm itching, y'all. I'm itching for that got 'em. But no, I didn't know about it. I seen it floating around social media, and it's cool. You know what I'm saying? It's a cool looking shoe. I think, you know, more colorways in that shoe to come. It'll look pretty nice. It actually has like a Jordan 4 off-white, the women's joints. It has that type of look to it as far as, you know, that color tone and all that, man. But yeah, man, if you hit on those, like I said, man, you need to be playing the lottery. But shock drop there, and was there a shock drop today? What? Like, am I missing out? Like, am I out of whack like that, y'all? Because when I checked my sneakers app, y'all, I did see that there was a Jordan 3 on there, y'all. The Jordan 3 wings, y'all. Like, where did that come from? I had, like, see, this is what I be telling y'all about these just silent out the blue releases from Nike and Jordan brand, y'all. Where did those come from, y'all? This was the first day in my life I have ever seen that shoe. I ain't hear about it, nothing. But when I did see it, I noticed on the picture of it, it did say sold out. So I'm like, sold out? Like, when did that happen, y'all? So it does have a set release date, which they are supposed to be releasing, according to the Snkrs app, on July 30th. So I do see it says July 30th on the Snkrs app, but like I said, underneath the picture of that, it says sold out. So did those like shock drop or something today? And what is it to those Jordan 3 wings? Is that the name of it? You know what I'm saying? It is in extended sizes, and it's like, bruh, why are we getting shoes like this in extended sizes, but we're not getting, you know, first in flight ones in extended sizes? We're not getting the Jordan 3 camos in extended sizes. I mean, people really don't care about those, but you get my drift. You know what I'm saying? Why are those in extended sizes? Maybe I need to read up on it, y'all. Moving outside of that, y'all, I do want to talk to you guys about still my predictions, my thoughts on some shocking things happening, y'all. Whew. Bang! The Jordan 6 Olympics, y'all. So now that we have pairs circulating, stores have gotten these pairs, y'all. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I don't know if we'll be seeing a shock drop on these. Gotta keep it a buck with y'all, man. I don't think we'll be seeing a shock drop on these, simply because, like I said, a lot of pairs are in circulation normally. But we gotta play devil's advocate, because we never know what Nike's next move is. But usually they don't ship out the shoes and, you know, have them in the stores as much when they are doing shock drops. You know, maybe exclusive access, early access, they might, you know, have them out there. But shock drops, they usually don't have the shoes out like that, man. So these might be out of the question for a shock drop. However, it is good because we are expected to get them on their official release date of August 3rd, man. So shock drop might be out the window, but the release is definitely happening, and I still am standing on, y'all, these shoes will be going for below retail, y'all. I know it. I feel it in my bones, y'all. You know what I'm saying? But back to school is coming, so hey, you still got that little, you know, room for error on that. But outside of those Paris Olympic fours, we done talked about that already. This week, y'all, current events, y'all. Let's talk about what's going down this week. Couple things happening towards the end of the week, and of course, we got a retro-filled weekend to say, y'all. So this Thursday, y'all, we got some crimson tint and amber brown Nike Dunk lows dropping. More dunks on the way. Are y'all happy? Y'all just like, hey, it's more dunks? And I remember, y'all, not too long ago, maybe about a year and a half, 2 years ago, people was like, man, I'm sick and tired of dunks, man. They are making so many. Hey, they are still not stopping, y'all. So we got more dunks on the way, releasing this Thursday. Those are classified as a men's release, y'all. So that will be going up to a men's 15, a women's 16 and a half. Price tag will be $125. If you like it, hey, I love it. Buy it, cop it. Do what you got to do with them. But moving on Friday, we got some Nike and Stussy madness, y'all. Like, just go down the whole collection. It is a clothes collab, I guess. Nike, Stussy, Elite, you know, etc., etc. But tons of clothes and merch dropping from Nike and Stussy on Friday. Also on Friday, we shall be seeing a Nike Air Safari Electric, y'all. That looks like a Air Max 1 or something. I don't know, y'all, but yeah, we got those that are dropping on Friday as well. The Safari joints, man. It looks like something I've seen before, but you know, hey, that is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Let's keep it moving. To go alongside with the Stussy collection, y'all, we got the Nike LD1000, the Stussy joints, y'all, which does come in that lime green and black colorway, y'all. Those are clean, you know what I'm saying? If you want to be spotted out, bright colors, you know, that is for you. But those will be releasing alongside that Stussy collab on Friday. I'm good on everything happening up until the weekend. We do have some retro Jordans finally releasing, but I don't think that these Jordans will get any type of play. It's gonna get overlooked, but hey, we got them, y'all. Bang! So let me start with the one I have in hand, y'all. On Saturday, y'all, we shall be seeing the Jordan 3 Camo, the women's release, y'all. These will be sitting, y'all. I'm gonna just predict all this happening, y'all. These will be sitting, widely available. These release, of course, on Saturday. Retail on these is, I want to say, $200, y'all. Not a bad shoe at all, you know what I'm saying? It's clean. I definitely am going to try to hit y'all with an on feet to these. Since I have them in my possession, why not, you know what I'm saying? So try to hit y'all with an on feet to these, but y'all comment down below. These will not be in extended sizes, so only women's sizes on these, all the way up to a 12 in women's, which is a 10.5 in men's. So everybody bigger than 10.5 in men's, you will not be able to get your size in these, unfortunately. But hey, I'm sure you probably wasn't even trying to worry about these. But this is one of the shoes that's dropping. Outside of that, man, low life, y'all. We do got a pair of Jordan 1 lows dropping that I'm good on, you know what I'm saying? Like, I've been passing on a lot of lows, and you know I'm a man that likes many lows, but I mean, it's just, at what point am I gonna, you know, like, I don't need them, bruh. But we do have the Jordan 1 Low OG Wolf Grays releasing, and those will go on sale. So, I mean, if you want them to rock right now, by all means, jump on them, secure them, grab them. But if you are patient and you're not in a rush to get them, I think you'll save a couple dollars, man. But that is what's going on this week, man. And y'all comment down below, is there anything you're looking forward to? Are you upset that we might not see a shock drop when it comes to the Jordan 6 Olympics, or of course the Paris Olympics? I think we good, man. It's gonna be enough out here to go around, and I think we're gonna be seeing sales tags on a lot of these shoes, you know. So like I said, I'm standing on it. My prediction, Olympic 6s are going to be everywhere, widely available, and they are going to be sitting. But that's just my thoughts and opinions. You feel what I'm saying, man? But that is it for this one, man. I just wanted to chop it up with y'all, let y'all know what's going on and my thoughts and opinions on any possible shock drops and the shock drops that recently happened, you know what I'm saying? So appreciate y'all as always. Tomorrow we'll be back. I need to throw on, you know, the Olympics or something early. I think I might do a first look for y'all on the Olympic 6s and get y'all thoughts and opinions on that, man. But outside of that, y'all stay blessed. I am going to the next one, man.